Okay, it's been a while since I posted a video on the boat. It's 7:15 in the morning. I'm trying to speak a bit quiet because I wake neighbours up, but lots happened since I last posted a video. It was Red, the last video I posted, and I've acquired a new boat. I have a new one. That's the next little project. The transom needs to be replaced on it. But yeah, it was red. We went down to a layer of, underneath the red there was patchy gel coat, so I had to take the gel coat off, which took me down to a layer of blue stuff. So I fixed all the holes around the windows, all the holes with huge holes all excuse the ring marks from the cups. Yeah, but there was a huge hole there, a massive hole. There was one there somewhere with the rod holders where there's a bit of fairing compound on there. It all needs fairing, and I always had a coat of primer. I'm going to take these ridges out that I've been fixing holes and stuff. There was a massive hole down there. You just move that. There was a third hole. There was 1, 2, and a third one close in to the transom. Right about there. And there's another rot down in there. I'll have to come out. Same on this side, there was a huge hole there. Anyway, I've taken the cabin out, floor out, the cabin out, stringers out. There was loads of fiberglass in that, delaminated fiberglass between the stringers. And when I took it out, I took out 2 old repairs and I needed to do. There's one there. That one there. One over there. There's glare of the sun. One over there. One down there on top of that knife. There's also one here as well, which I haven't fixed yet. 6 patches up front and back. There's one down there. There. Well, I took the bulkhead out. I ripped pieces of glass out from all there. Same on the other side, so I've had to mix some resin with some Cabasil. Fill it all up, sanded it back a couple of inches each side. Well, a bit more sanding tonight, and I'm going to put a bit of roving mat in to key it back in. It's all going to get sanded. Every last bit of it's going to get sanded, and it's going to get reglassed, thicker, make it thicker, sturdier, and it'll be a full set of stringers going in and a full new floor. And I've got a new bulkhead. See, I have a new bulkhead, brand new bulkhead off the guy who makes these boats these days. It's the bulkhead. It's off a 24-foot Wilson flyer, so I get to cut it down. Toying around with the idea of having this off centre in the boat and maybe the door over it, because I don't like the driving the steering wheel position. But all the transom is something I've been so many holes, so they've all been ground out. I cap them up with a bit of glass, resin and stuff. The fly bridge has got to go on then soon, very soon. Anyway, I think that's it. Oh, windows are next. Yeah, I'll leave it there.